Melody
and Lily
from MLK Hairstyles.
Today I am going to be showing you how to do this DIY 4-strand braid.
And 7 ways to wear it. Let's get started!
The first step to this braid is to split your hair into 4 sections. To make them equal, what I like to do is start by parting your hair just in the back, split your hair in 2, and then split each of those sections in half as well. That just gives you a good way to make the sections as equal as possible. Once you've done that, you're going to take your sections. I like to keep them like this just so they don't get separated at first. And you're going to take this side section and cross it over the second one. And then cross it underneath the third one. And then over the fourth one. This first stitch is probably going to be the hardest one, but once you have it like that, it gets easier from there. So it's kind of like you're weaving. You take that first one, cross it over the second, and then cross it under the third, and cross it over the fourth. I hold them 2 strands in each hand, so just repeat that. Over the first, under, over, over, under, over. It may take a little while for your fingers to get used to this, but don't worry, you'll get it in time. And like you can see, I messed up a little bit there. I'm just going back. Just go over, under, and then over, under. Try to keep even tension on all of the sections so that you can see sometimes this middle one will go in further, but if you keep it even and pull this one, especially on the edge, it will make sure that one pops out and doesn't hide behind the rest. Just keep going down, over, under, over, over, under, over. And another way to think about it, it's the exact same braid, you're just thinking about it slightly differently, is to go cross this one over and then switch the 2 middle ones and then cross the other side under. It's the exact same braid, just another way to think about it. Put this one over and then switch the 2 middle ones and then put this outer last section underneath. Just keep going till you reach the end. Once you've reached the end, just tie it off with a hair tie, and this style number 1 is complete.
Another way you can wear this hairstyle is by putting your hair into a high ponytail and then putting that into a 4-strand braid. So this is style number 2.
For style number 3, just do a 4-strand braid in the back.
After doing a high ponytail, I just did a small 4-strand braid, then pancaked it, and then I hair wrapped the hair tie with it. So this is style number 4. And for style number 5, I just did 2 4-strand braids.
For this style, I just did a little accent 4-strand braid and pancaked the edges just by pulling on them to give it a different variation. This is style number 6.
For this hairstyle, just start with a half up and then 4-strand braid that hair to the ends. This is style number 7. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it.
And comment down below what hairstyle you want us to teach next.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!
Ready? 3, 1. I'm wandering now.
Hi guys, it's Melody. Oh no! Another way you can wear this hairstyle is by putting your hair in.
For style number 3, I just did a 4-strand braid in the back.
Do you want to step back for this?
For style number 3, I just did a 4-strand braid in the back.